Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. As you all can tell from the title, today we're still doing a little bit of spring cleaning where I will be doing my entranceway. As you all see here, it need to be clean. Let's just be honest. Another catch-all, as you all can see. So what I'm pretty much going to do is wipe down the doors, the walls. I'm going to leave these items here, this mirror and this wall decor, because that's where I had started. I was like, you know what, let me just do the rest off camera, which that was actually days ago. But so what I'm pretty much going to do, like I said, is just do a little cleaning, wipe things down, try to get the laminate floor as clean as possible. You guys have to remember, I stay in an apartment. And honestly, this have not been done before I got into this apartment. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I'm going to take advantage of this springtime as well as going into summer. So also, we're going to be doing a little DIY on the door, this little hack that I seen on TikTok. So if you guys want to clean and decorate, keep on watching. So first things first, as always, I'm going to remove everything out the way. And I'm going to go into starting to clean. Pretty much, we're going to sweep. We're going to dust the walls. And what I mean by dust the walls, I'm going to get the broom and get down all the spider webs and anything that may be up there and above. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys do enjoy it, like I'm claiming that you guys already do, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe if you are a queen or king just stopping by. Hello, my name is Valerie. But yes, once you do subscribe, hit the notification bell that says all, so therefore you be notified whenever I do upload.
Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind.
These are the items that I'm going to pretty much use. I'm going to use my Swiffer. I got these scrub buddies from Dollar Tree. I'm using some Lysol. One of them got bleach in them, the one that I just dropped. And use my microfiber rag. So what I'm going to do is wipe the walls down with the Lysol, clean the door, and clean the floor with the sweeper and stuff.
I never want to give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and roll, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. I wanna be free.
So I opened the door so it can dry. I don't have any more of those scrubbers, so that's the reason I didn't scrub it again, but it got majority of it up. Because you can see on the rag, it's not that much like it was on the first scrubber. The second scrubber was a little bit lighter. All right, so what I'm gonna use for the door is pretty much this gold metallic washi tape. But I do have this silver one, but this one is not, it's metallic, but it's a flat. And I'm gonna do the little TikTok hack that I'm seeing a lot of people doing to their entry door and stuff like that. You know, just to bring my door, my entrance up a little bit, just to scale it up a little bit. So I got both of these from Amazon, which I'll leave both of the links down below. So let's try this because the floor is dry now. So we can go ahead and do it. All right, so let me jump into this a little bit, do a little bit explaining. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, this is tedious. Yes, it is. It is tedious to do. Now, if you have a X-Acto knife or a razor, it'd be best to do, because with the scissors, I was kind of messing up when I was cutting it off, or I didn't cut it straight and stuff like that. So I had to go back and correct my lines and stuff. But afterwards, off camera, I did use a X-Acto knife to go back and cut off the additional what is stuff called washi tape. But I do love the way that it turned out. Like, everybody in the house actually do like this. So I would say do this. But it's a little tedious. So find you something that you like listening to or whatever. Let it play in the background. Put on your favorite YouTuber, me, and just let me go. Just let me go in the background. But yes, it is tedious of basically because you're trying to line it up. You don't want your lines crooked. You step back and you look at it. You know how you do anything that when you're decorating or styling and stuff, you have to step back to see. You know what I'm saying? Have those tunnel vision. But I recommend it. I love it. I love the way that it turned out. And I was like, oh yeah, they own to something. I don't know who did it, who came up with it, how it became discovered of doing this. Do it. I recommend to do it. But I have to say it is a little tedious because, like I said, if you somebody like me want things to be perfect, when there's no such thing as being perfect, but in my mind it is, though. In my mind it is. So don't judge me. This would be that type of DIY or facelift or revamp or whatever you want to do. That is this. So don't think it's going to be perfect, but it is perfect once you step back and see your little work with it, how it all turns out. So let me start running my mouth. Once again, if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, share the video, please. You guys share the video. We're on the road to 7,000. Girl, y'all know we really on the road to 10,000 though, but 7 come after 6. But I'm just saying. But anyway, Queens of King, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you, Queens of King, in a moment. I told you all it was gonna be in a moment, and this is pretty much my finished look. And look how that look the facelift that it give the entryway just by using washi tape. I didn't do nothing else besides clean it and did the facelift on the door, And I love it. I mean, my husband complimented, my daughter even complimented. It was like, oh, mom, I like that. I really do like that. And, and for your man to tell you they like it, now you know you did it. You did your thing. You did your thing. They know because I'm sensitive about my shit. I'm just saying. But yes, I like the way that it's turned out. Even though the washi tape is metallic, and I think by it gave the texture of the door pretty much you see through it or whatever I'm trying to say, the impression through the tape, it still looks good. It still look good. So I would say try this with any color washi tape that you really want to do, zazz your entryway. This was a great idea. Like I said, I don't know who came up with it, but they was on to something, and I love it. I love it. So I hope you queens and kings enjoy and love it just as much as I do, and do this. Don't worry about it being teased, but do it. It's worth it. It's worth it. So with that being said, queens and kings, I will talk to you all in the next video. You guys continue to be royal, and remember what? Your crown may tip, but a damn sure won't fall. And I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.